Hello and welcome in class 5. Next exercise here, the extra chapati lesson, page number 39. First question, choose best option. In the choose best option, first question is, what was the woman doing? What was the woman doing? Here the option is baking cakes, baking chapatis, or boiling milk. So the story is about chapati. So baking chapatis. Baking chapatis, a woman. Okay. Next, how many chapatis did she keep on the window sill? So first option 1, second 2, and third 3. How many chapatis did she keep on the window sill? However, chapatis did she make, but keep on window sill. Window sill पे तो वो एक ही रखती थी ना. So first option. This is the second option. This is the first option. That is 1. Only 1. Okay. Now next, what did the woman add to the extra chapati? What did the woman add to the extra chapati? Sugar, salt और poison. तो उसने वो एक्स्ट्रा चपाती में वन डे क्या किया था? पॉइजन डाला था ना, क्योंकि वो काफी इरिटेट हो गई थी by the hunchback murmuring sound. So third option, poison. 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 Okay. Now answer the following question. Question number B. Question B. First question. What was the routine of the woman while cooking food? So what was the routine of the woman while cooking food? जब वो food बनाती थी तो उसकी daily routine क्या थी? The daily routine of the woman while baking chapatis was to bake an extra chapati. To bake an extra chapati and keep on the window sill. Next question: what words did the hunchback mutter while taking away the chapati? So the hunchback would mutter strangely, "The evil you do remains with you, the good you do comes back to you." Third question: what did the woman react to hearing the words on the hunchback, that muttering sound? After hearing the woman, how she react? The woman reacted to the hunchback's remark feeling irritated. By feeling irritated, she feel irritated by these muttering sounds. She had expected gratitude from him, as instead of that hunchback. ठीक है, तो इस hunchback से instead of these muttering sound of that words, the evil you do remains with you, the good you do comes back to you. Instead of that, expecting the gratitude, thankfulness for her. Now, what evil was the woman thinking of? किस तरह की गलत चीज, किस तरह की bad thing उसकी mind में develop हुई थी? The woman was thinking of getting rid of the hunchback by adding poison to the extra chapati. But after adding the poison in extra chapati, her mind changed and throw it into the fire. Okay. Next, why was the woman disturbed? Why was the woman disturbed? The woman felt disturbed by her unkind act of putting poison in the extra chapati that the hunchback would have carried off. So after doing this thing, this evil thing, he got disturbed. How could she do with hunchback that by putting the extra chapati to kill him? What was the condition of woman's son when he returned home? The woman's son was in a miserable condition. He had grown thin, lean, and his clothes were tattered. He looked hungry and was crying on seeing his mother. After seeing his mother, he crying, and he is in very bad condition, hungry and grown thin, lean, and clothes were tattered. Okay. So question number 7. Who helped the woman's son and how? So woman's son जो था उसका help किसने किया था? Hunchback ना. So the hunchback helped the woman's son. Only the one line for this question. Who helped the woman's son? So hunchback helps the woman's son, and how the answer is, so how a young man had approached the hunchback for a morsel to eat, and he had extended an entire chapati in answer to this request. So if the if her son is wanted to eat the chapati and requested for the chapati to the in the front of this young man who is a hunchback, so he gave all. Question number 8, what truth dawned on the woman? Explain clearly. So what truth, इस तरह का truth उसको आ गया था समझ में. The woman realized that the hunchback who had offered her son a chapati, तो उसको क्लियर हो गया कि हाँ वो यंग मैन जो था वो वही हंचबैक था जो कि उसके विंडो सिल से चपाती लेकर जाता था. ओके, was she realized that had she given the hunchback the poisoned chapati, it would be her son who would be dead. तो उसको ऐसा लगता था कि if she given to the hunchback that extra chapati when in which she putting the poison, then he couldn't see the see her son in front of her who is alive now. ठीक है, तो अगर वो जिंदा ही नहीं होता उसका सन, अगर उसने उस एक्स्ट्रा चपाती में पॉइजन डाल दिया होता, उसको थ्रो आउट नहीं किया होता फायर में, ठीक है, तो अगर वो हंचबैक लेकर गया होता वो पॉइजन वाला चपाती, तो पॉइजन वाली चपाती किसे मिली होती? उसके सन को मिली होती, और वो सन उसका जिंदा उसके पास वापस नहीं आया होता. इस बात पे वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा अपने आप को अपोलोजाइज फील कर रही थी.